Now it's time to actually slide the unbeaded basted section along the top edges into the openings of the bag frame. The beaded section will fit into the front, and the leather will fit into the back. If you notice a little bit of non-woven showing in the front, you can stitch in a couple of background color beads to fill in later. If the lining doesn't match up perfectly, you can trim it even, but try not to cut the basting stitches. When you sew the handle to the bag, you want to use a doubled thread for strength. You're going to start in the center and work outward in both directions, just as you did when you were adding the edging beads. You can use a knot to start. Secure your thread in an area where it won't be seen. Run up through the center hole in the bag handle and pick up a bead. Now run back through the same hole and back through the non-woven in the same general area as you brought the thread out initially. You'll notice that the needle has to be put in place at a very sharp angle. Tighten the thread to make sure that the bead sits flush against the bag handle, and then move on to the next hole. You'll notice again that you need to place the needle at a very sharp angle. You'll be poking around trying to find that little hole in the handle, and your glover's point may be dulled a little bit, so don't forget about that chili pepper sharpener. Work outward from the center in the same manner on both sides, and before you know it, your bag is ready to use. Enjoy! This is Benson. Thanks for joining us.